Hi everyone! Today we're making a wireframe for a website layout in Balsamiq Mockups. You can use the demo version online for free. I started by making a rough hand-drawn sketch where I drew all the elements I want on the front page of the website. And I'm using that as a guide to draw a cleaner wireframe in Balsamiq Mockups. First, go to the Balsamiq Mockups website and click on Launch Demo Version, then go to Project and click on New Mockup. I'm using a template for a 1200 pixels wide website, so I'm importing the mockup JSON by copy-pasting the code here. Drag the template from one corner if you need to adjust the size for your screen. There are all kinds of text boxes, shapes, icons and buttons available. Go to Common in the menu and choose Rectangle and just drag it on top of the template. This will be the banner area. Then drag an image box on top of the banner. Click outside of the image to lose the text input box. And then you can resize the image box. Go to Text and drag a big title next to the banner image. If your title is on more than one line, you need to drag in a new title for a new line. You can center the text using the grids. They'll automatically pop up when you're moving the elements. You can change the font size, type, color or alignment from the tab on the right. Then click on the subtitle and drag that under the big title. The website I'm designing here is an art portfolio, so that's what I'm typing in. Drag in a menu bar and type in your navigation links separated by commas. You can choose which one is selected. I'm choosing Home because I want this to be the home page. Drag in another rectangle under the menu. I'm also making the template longer. Add a big title and type in the title of this section. Mine is a gallery section, so I'm dragging in images. If you need many elements of the same size, you can just duplicate them using the button next to the Undo and Redo buttons. I'm dragging the section a little longer so I can fit in a See More link. Find the link element and drag it in. Because this is the demo version, it will self-destruct in 1 hour from starting, so make sure to save it in case you might take longer than 1 hour. Go to Project, Export and choose Mockup to JSON. A text version of your wireframe is copied onto your clipboard. Open a text editor, paste in the text and save it. Duplicate the rectangle of the last section to make a new one. You can also change the color of the rectangle. You might want to alternate colors between the backgrounds of the different sections to make them stand out more. Duplicate the title of the last section and drag it into the new section and type in the new title. Mine is an artist bio. I'm dragging in an image and then going into text and dragging in a block of text. Duplicate the See More link from the previous section. The next section is pretty much the same, but I'm reversing the order of the image and the text and making the image bigger. And instead of an image box, I'm going to Big and dragging in a video player. I'm going into icons and adding the YouTube play button on top of the video player to make it clear it's a video. You can't change the size of the icons. If you have a template you're working on top of, you can use the stripes of the template as a guide for the element sizes. I'm trying to use thirds here. The text is about 1/3 wide and the video player is 2/3 wide. The last content section will be divided into two: contact information and email list subscription form. Add a line of text as the email address. Then go to icons and find the social media icons you want to use and add a line of text beside the icons. And an image into subscribe section. Go to text and drag in a block of text beside the image. Go into Forms and drag in a text input box. You can type in what you want the guide text of the box to be. Then place a button below it and type in subscribe. Drag in the last rectangle for the footer. Add a label. I typed in copyright information. Go to Project, Export and click on Current Mockup to PNG to save it as an image. Download and save the file. Remember to also save the text version. Go to Project, Export and click on Mockup to JSON. You'll have the text version on your clipboard. Paste it into a file and save it. If you want to modify the wireframe later, you can just copy that text and import it into Balsamiq Mockups and continue. This is what the finished wireframe looks like. I'll make a part 2 on how to draw a website layout with colors, images, fonts and so on top of this wireframe using Photoshop. Thanks for watching.